FCT is not just Abuja. And therefore, we have to be interacting with other areas that make up FCT. If you don't interact with them, you wouldn't know their peculiar problems. We can't be sitting in the city without coming to you, finding out what your problems are, your immediate problems, so that we'll be able to tackle them. So this administration of Aswaji Ahmed Bola Tinubu is an administration that wants to relate directly with the people. If I did not come here today, probably I wouldn't have known so many things that are of importance to you. And I thank you for the opportunity to come and talk with you. His Excellency, the President, one of the key priorities of the present administration of Aswaji Bola Ahmed Tinubu is security. He has an 8-point agenda. And one of the 8-point agenda is security for lives and property of the people. And that if we cannot protect you and your property, then we have no business to be in government. And that is why he has sent me to you to let you understand that you cannot be abandoned this period. He shares with you, he feels your pain. I said, I must tell you this and tell you how prepared we are to face the challenges head on. Our traditional ruler, let me encourage you and your people that we are going to tackle this issue of insecurity head on. And you know our track record, when we say we want to do something, we'll do it. We are not talking here as if we are coming to ask you for vote. No. We are coming here to tell you, look, these problems you have, we are here to solve it. And let me assure you, like the traditional ruler said, that the logistics given to the security agencies are not enough, are not adequate. This administration, in the next few weeks, we have made all arrangements, made all procurement to see that security agencies are given enough logistics to see that they secure your environment. We have purchased so much vehicles, we have purchased so many motorbikes, communication gadgets, name them. So it will no longer be a logistic problem. We are ready for it. Now, even if we provide all these things, without you supporting them, they cannot achieve anything. So they require your support. And what is the support they require? Information is very, very important. If you don't give them information, it doesn't matter how hard they fight. It will be very difficult. I know some of the informants of the criminals are here. I'm aware. Don't think I'm not aware, I'm aware. And I'm saying this thing for them to know. Time is up. Time is up. You have the opportunity of repenting today. If you don't repent today, you are gone. If you don't repent today, you are what? Gone. Nobody will pity you. You have seen what the security agencies have been doing in the past few days. That is to tell you, we are not here to joke. If you're an informant, you will die the same way those people you are informing. You said they are dying. That's how you inform, you will die too. So they are aware that we are ready, fully ready to fight these challenges. I've been told so many things here. Projects that were awarded and abandoned. That in itself is a threat to security. I will not allow it. When there are no roads, of course, you are helping criminals. But when you have good roads, then you are fighting criminals. It will be difficult for them to operate. I'm surprised, just like the chairman told me there, that those that were resettled here, that contracts to do roads connecting to those areas are all abandoned. Today, let me tell you, we'll go back and take those projects and complete them for you.
As they sweet us, we defend them. As they defend them, they sweet us.
No, let me tell you, it's not that we are doing you any good. You are entitled to it. You are entitled to it. It is our responsibility to provide this infrastructure to make life easy for you. So we are not doing anything extraordinary. It's our job. And under this administration, a promise made by Mr. President, and by the grace of God, as the FCT minister, you will see the changes in this FCT. When Chairman spoke about Robuchi to Kuje, I told him no. A few days ago, I signed that contract from Robuchi to Kuje. I think it was given to one Sabani or what? One company. While we are coming here, why? While we are coming here, Senator Duda was telling me, this is my first time of coming to Kuje. Very big, vast area. I can't lie to you. I never believed that a local area council that's close to Abuja, you can't have good roads. I'm surprised. But see, God's time is the best. And God's time has come.
I like it.
So he was showing me that this is Kuje to Gwagwalada. That was what he was telling me. I couldn't believe it. When I saw the file of Arab contractors, I didn't know it was the route from the express. I said, no, keep it aside. I'm not sure of this contract. But now that I know it is correct, I will go back and revisit the file.
As they sweet us, we defend them. As they defend them, they sweet us. As they sweet us, we defend them.
Now you see, all we want from you is to help us to bring down insecurity in this area. We are not asking you for anything. Just support us. With your support, we will succeed. Are you willing to support us? Do you want to support us? Are you sure? Agreement is a? Agreement is a? So we have entered into agreement now. Not be true. As you go give us information, maybe so. We will go do the roast, but we'll talk. Maybe so. That's how life is. You do for me, I do for you. You fall for me, I fall for you. So be assured that you will see changes in this area council. I have told the chairman, you must working together with security agencies to make sure that the vigilantes are empowered. The vigilantes are empowered. It's not just to say I had vigilantes. We must also know who are these vigilantes. I hope they are not the informants. So that the vigilantes must be profiled. Security people must know them. So that we don't enter another one chance. We must know. And council chairman, let me advise you people. You must continue to hold regular security meeting with those here, with the traditional rulers. If you don't hold regular security meeting, you will not know the problems. So you must, as a matter of at the once in every month, you must. So that whatever you discuss will be able to be related to us, to relate to us. Put your heads together. Traditional rulers have a lot of role to play. So, deal with you. Stay here. I don't want to see people in the city. Stay here and do your work. Okay. Because, listen, because you are not elected to be chairman of AMAC. You are elected to be chairman of Kuje Area Council. Those who voted for you are not in the city. They are here. So make sure you are here every day. So that you'll be able to share their problems with you. You know, most of them are saying that the pressure is too much. When you are campaigning, you didn't know there would be pressure. You are the one who applied for the job. So you must face the pressure. So face the pressure now. You can't run away from your responsibility. So make sure you stay here and know the problems of your people, and you'll be able to relate it to us. Then we'll be able to know how we can support you. It is very, very important. So I believe that with the confidence we have given, relax. Do not be afraid. I have had this problem before and I tackled it properly. So here will not be a different thing. I will tackle it. And you will see the results. But let us not politicize the issue of security. Those of them who have interest to politicize issue of security, they don't mean well for us. Going to social media to blackmail or tell lies will not help us. issue of insecurity does not know whether you're a big man or you're a poor man. It does not know whether you're a Christian or a Muslim. It does not know whether you don't believe in God at all. Today, it can be Joseph. Tomorrow, it can be Dawood. No, I'm not. So we have to work together because we are talking about lives. We have to work together. But let me tell you, no amount of blackmail will stop us from carrying out our assignment. Whether you call yourself one group here, it's not my business. My business is to make sure to support the administration of the president, to make sure we sleep with our two eyes closed. That's what we're here for. And all of us are Nigerians. If FCT is not safe, Nigeria is not safe. So we must work together. And I thank you that, and I thank God that the president is giving me all the support I require to fight this insecurity. Security agencies are doing their best. If you hear what they do, you would be marveled. It's not everything they put on newspapers. It's not everything they put on radio. But if you know what they do, and these criminals, they are getting hot. We won't say we eliminate insecurity totally. Nowhere in this world, even developed society, where you say there's no one form of criminality, no. But we will do our best to make sure that you go about your normal businesses without anybody molesting you. You sleep well without you being afraid that something will happen. So I thank you very much. Today is Saturday. Look at how you have come out in your numbers to receive us. All of you who are in government, who are from this area, let us work together.